Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites, to promote products, services, or brands. It is a critical component of modern marketing strategies, as more consumers spend time online and expect a seamless digital experience across multiple devices. In this article, we'll explore the key elements of digital marketing, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and digital advertising. So hey guys, here are some ways. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO refers to the process of optimizing a website or online content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website and improve its visibility and relevance for specific keywords or phrases. The key elements of SEO include keyword research, on-page optimization, technical optimization, content creation, and link building. Keyword research involves identifying the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for a specific topic or industry, while on-page optimization involves optimizing the content and structure of a website for those keywords. Technical optimization focuses on improving the technical performance and user experience of a website, such as page speed, mobile responsiveness, and security. Content creation is another important aspect of SEO, as high-quality and relevant content can attract links and social shares, which can boost a website's authority and visibility. Link building involves acquiring backlinks from other authoritative websites, which can also improve a website's authority and ranking. Social media marketing. Social media marketing refers to the use of social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok, to promote products, services, or brands. The goal of social media marketing is to increase brand awareness, engagement, and loyalty, as well as drive website traffic and sales. The key elements of social media marketing include creating a social media strategy, identifying target audiences and personas, creating engaging content, and measuring and analyzing results. A social media strategy involves defining the goals, audience, channels, and metrics for a social media campaign, as well as the tone and style of the content. Identifying target audiences and personas involves understanding the demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points of potential customers, as well as their social media usage and preferences. Creating engaging content involves creating high-quality, relevant, and visually appealing posts, videos, stories, and ads that resonate with the target audience and drive engagement. Measuring and analyzing results involves tracking and analyzing key metrics, such as reach, engagement, clicks, conversions, and ROI, and using that data to optimize and improve future campaigns. Email marketing. Email marketing refers to the use of email to communicate with customers, subscribers, or leads and promote products, services, or brands. The goal of email marketing is to build relationships with customers, increase loyalty and retention, and drive sales and revenue. The key elements of email marketing include creating an email list, segmenting and targeting audiences, creating engaging and personalized emails, and measuring and analyzing results. Creating an email list involves acquiring email addresses from customers, subscribers, or leads, as well as complying with legal and ethical guidelines for email marketing, such as providing opt-in and opt-out options. Segmenting and targeting audiences involves dividing the email list into smaller groups based on demographics, behaviors, interests, or purchase history, and creating targeted and personalized messages for each group. Creating engaging and personalized emails involves creating compelling subject lines, headlines, and body copy, as well as using personalization, automation, and dynamic content to make the emails more relevant and useful. Measuring and analyzing results involves tracking and analyzing key metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and revenue, and using that data to optimize and improve future campaigns. Content marketing. Content marketing refers to the use of valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience and ultimately drive profitable customer action. Content marketing can take many forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, and ebooks. The key elements of content marketing include creating a content strategy, identifying target audiences and personas, creating high-quality and relevant content, and measuring and analyzing results. A content strategy involves defining the goals, audience, channels, and metrics for a content marketing campaign, as well as the topics, formats, and distribution tactics for the content. Identifying target audiences and personas involves understanding the demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points of potential customers, as well as their content preferences and consumption habits. Creating high-quality and relevant content involves creating content that provides value, solves problems, entertains, or inspires the target audience, and that aligns with the brand's voice, values, and goals. Measuring and analyzing results involves tracking and analyzing key metrics, such as traffic, engagement, leads, and conversions, and using that data to optimize and improve future content. Digital advertising. Digital advertising refers to the use of online advertising platforms, such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and programmatic advertising, to promote products, services, or brands. The goal of digital advertising is to reach and persuade potential customers with targeted and measurable ads. The key elements of digital advertising include creating an advertising strategy, identifying target audiences and personas, creating effective ads, and measuring and analyzing results. An advertising strategy involves defining the goals, audience, channels, and metrics for a digital advertising campaign, as well as the budget, bidding strategy, and ad formats for the ads. Identifying target audiences and personas involves using data and analytics to identify the most relevant and profitable segments of potential customers, as well as their behaviors, interests, and demographics. Creating effective ads involves creating compelling and visually appealing ads that resonate with the target audience and drive clicks, leads, or sales. Measuring and analyzing results involves tracking and analyzing key metrics, such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and ROI, and using that data to optimize and improve future ads. Conclusion. Digital marketing is a dynamic and multifaceted field that requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior, data analytics, and digital channels. By leveraging the key elements of digital marketing, businesses can reach and engage potential customers, build brand awareness and loyalty, and drive revenue and growth. However, digital marketing is also a highly competitive and rapidly evolving field, and businesses must stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices to succeed.